You say like a baby bird.
Feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this.
Good morning. So it is an exciting and terrifying morning. Today, 2.4 milligram. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, and by we've all, I mean me. I'm kind of scared. I mean, let's be real. Anytime I've gone up in a dosage, it's made me nervous, but this is the one that people say hits different. So, that alcohol swab is dry. I'm gonna go get another one. Let's try that again. Okay. This one is good to go. I'm gonna sanitize. Pull off the cap. Push to the skin. You'll hear 1 click, 2 click. Approximately 10 seconds after the first click, it'll be done, but you wait until the yellow stops moving. Yep, that one burned a lot more than usual. And I had that one sitting out of the fridge for a while too, which I don't always do. Oh well. I mean, it's not like horrific. It was just stingy. See, there's the yeller. So, I shall keep you apprised. Just a little bit of an update on what happened towards the end of last week. If you haven't seen my video about compounding pharmacies and what I'm doing to try and stay on Wegovy, because these are my last 4, go ahead and click on this video up here. I'm still waiting to hear back from the pharmacist about doctors that he recommends that he's worked with before that have prescribed the compounding semaglutide. So I'm planning on calling him this morning and we shall see what happens. I will continue to keep you apprised of the situation. And I hope you're having a good day. Bye.
My pants are falling off.
No, that's not good for the public.
That's really not. I don't want to be arrested today.
No. Well, friends.
We're going to IKEA to pick up some bookshelves for Abby Grace's room.
Yeah.
And possibly my living room, if they have enough of them. Yeah. And then we're going to do our regular grocery shopping.
Do you have a Sam's order today?
Yes.
Okay, good. A piece of bucket.
Yeah.
I need more to drink and drink. Speaking of the drink and drink, I need to get much. Here's the thing, guys. I need to get better about drinking water. Why? Number one, because it's good for me. It does what?
It purifies the soul.
It purifies the soul. Also, I'm gonna
So
have.
saith Kim Wadsworth.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, we had 500 subscribers last
Yes. Oh my goodness.
night. There's so many of you. I mean, I know that's like a drop in the bucket in YouTube world, but it's still a lot.
It is people.
It's people that
Like-
think that I'm entertaining, which I don't
right.
understand.
Here's the thing. Here's the thing. If you weren't entertaining, we wouldn't be friends.
Oh, that's true. I don't know. You might be entertaining enough for the both of us.
Listen.
I need them to hurry up and finish with this.
I don't know if they're doing some jackrabbity bologna sauce.
No,
like
I think
they
they're
did up
just
there.
they're fixing the road, and I think they widened it a little bit. Widened it a little bit. I also think they might be adding like permanent, you know, the things that you can't.
Who's this?
Curves. Words are hard.
Did you know that in order to call a street a boulevard, it has to have the medians?
Huh.
Yeah. Random
But
facts.
do you know why you drive on a parkway and park on a driveway?
Hold on.
It's not a joke. It's just
No, I know. I'm trying real hard. You drive
on a parkway
and
park on a driveway.
We got a little kid. Look, he's, just in case you didn't know, he's Swedish.
So at Christmas, they have the self-assembly milk chocolate mousse. But for Easter, they have the bunny. He's so cute. Mousse. And they have little eggs. And some oatmeal cookies. Sugar-free. Gross. Cafe wrap.
Those look delicious.
Those are ginger thins. This is not a ginger.
How do you know she's not a ginger?
No, I said this is not a ginger thin. You are still, but just you just got the baby in there. I didn't mean it, Nikki. You guys, look how cute he is. Look. Who loves this owl?
You do.
He's so cute.
Fight. I'm just kidding.
We have boxing. We had a snack.
A sticky snack.
A sneaky snack. A Nikki snack. Yeah, like a baby bird.
You say like a baby bird? I got it.
Do it. I can't reach it. My arm doesn't bend like that. Don't I? Are you okay? You went in the wrong hole? You try to pretend like you were a fish and breathe your water?
That's right.
I hit my teeth.
We go?
You said we go, and I said we.
V.
We go, we.
Up.
You want to try it? You want to try it? Find out.
Whenever I look at you and I'm putting something, ooh.
No, apricot. Yeah, no.
There's only one in.
That pineapple was too sweet. Oh. No. I've been assaulted. No.
No, you've been a sugar.
We can go shopping now, guys.
Yes, hi, bye.
What's wrong with you? Oh, I'm. I was trying to say go. I think I just had a stroke.
It sounded like you said go.
I was trying to say goats, and then somewhere in the middle it became golf.
No, I thought you were trying to say gallbladder. I'm like,
No. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many kids, her uterus fell out.
you know who else is just a peach? Steve Harvey.
Oh yeah, I love that man.
He's such a silly goose.
He said, what did he say? Oh, Richard said, can you push it? Push it real good. Oh, dang.
That's Tanner's favorite laugh that I do. He's like, no, be a snake. Because I go, he goes, no, be a snake. So I go, oh, goodness.
Oh, look at her. She got blush on his chest.
He does. He's so pretty.
Oh, look at him. He's like, look how handsome I am.
Oh, he's like, look at my boo.
I think that was the wind, but sure.
He's so cute. Oh, you look at the little kisses, but you give me bird food.
Here, look, you guys. This is what we're looking at. Oh, shit. I can't even see. Hold on. Hold on. This bird right here.
That one.
This bird.
He's so
Why is it? Oh, God. There you go. That's it. That's the one.
Is that the money shot?
Money.
So
What I'm going to need you to do is back that ass up to my car.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
I hope you got a big
I
truck.
can go back
I hope you got a big truck because I'm going to put a bookcase in it. Okay. Bye, guys. All right. Just going through our weekly grocery haul. So I have I'm going to be making some spicy shrimp stir-fried rice. I
or fried rice this week, and I wanted to find a way to bulk up my veggies, and I saw this on half off, and it's just like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, carrots, peas, like snow peas, and it's got like a stir fry sauce with it. So I figured I'd be able to bulk up my meal with some greens that way. I got some grapes, strawberries, apples. I was feeling very fruity today, apparently. Some lemon juice for Greek couscous salad I'm going to be doing. Some tomatoes for that salad, cabbage for the, we're going to be doing some corned beef and cabbage. I picked up corned beef at Randall's earlier in the week, so I don't have that out here, but I'll include it in my grocery total. Also got some chicken thighs. I'm going to do some Greek chicken thighs to go with my couscous salad, cucumbers, some carb sense tortillas. I picked up some more of those breakfast sausages, some feta for that salad, and then some smoked Havarti for my husband. I also picked up some of this blueberry flax granola that is so good. I haven't had it in a while, but I get it from the bulk section at my HEB, and I'm going to put it on some vanilla Greek yogurt, and I'll probably cook up one of these apples, like a cinnamon apple yogurt granola situation. And then they had this new non-dairy ice cream. I eat dairy without any issues, but I do like cashew milk a lot, and this was a cashew milk butter pecan ice cream, so I thought I would try that. And then I got some garbanzo beans for the couscous salad, and some olives as well. So I will put the total up here, and that's it. All right, just taking a look at next week's menu. So for breakfast, we're doing some chicken sausage breakfast tacos with tater tots and fruit. For lunches, we're going to be doing some Greek chicken and a couscous salad that is amazingly good. And then we're going to be doing some spicy shrimp fried rice and corned beef and cabbage for dinners. The rest of the week, we do some form of leftovers or we eat out. Over the weekend, we're also going to be going to a camp out. So that's it for next week. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss these recipes. Hey y'all. So it's the end of week 21, which means we made it through our first week of 2.4 relatively unscathed. So I realized that I never gave y'all an update on what was happening with the compound situation. So on Monday, I never really heard back from the pharmacy, so I called them. I hadn't heard back via email, so I called them, and they gave me the name of 2 different doctors. One that was in downtown Austin that he said would probably be able to help me, but they hadn't worked with him a lot, and I had asked for his contact information to try and get some more details, but I never really heard back about that. The other one was a doctor's office that they deal with in San Antonio that they know for sure would be open to prescribing a compound because they work with them so closely. In fact, they're getting ready to open a pharmacy inside one of their locations. Now, San Antonio is about a 2-hour drive for me, so I obviously don't really want to go there for a doctor, but he did say that they have telemedicine, so I wouldn't have to go down. Well, I called them on Tuesday, and unfortunately, before they will prescribe anything, they have to see you face-to-face for your first appointment. So I have an appointment scheduled for Tuesday the 15th, and I'm going to keep trying to get information about the other doctor that's in South Austin, but after talking it over with my husband, even though, yes, it's annoying to drive 2 hours, I would rather drive 2 hours to go someplace that I know has worked closely with this compounding facility so that I have the best possible chance of them actually prescribing the compound for me. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to keep that appointment because I never heard back about any information about the other doctor. So as of right now, the plan is to next Tuesday go to the clinic down in San Antonio to hopefully get that compound prescribed for me. So I will definitely update you on that next week. So in terms of non-scale victories, I ended up having to order some smaller underwear. If you have lost any significant amount of weight, you know that that's kind of one of those things that once it gets beyond a certain point in terms of being too big, it's not real comfortable to continue wearing the bigger stuff. I'm still wearing, baggy shorts and baggy shirts and things like that, but the underwear I had enough. The other thing I ended up having to do was ordering some smaller bottoms for my progress pictures. The ones I've been wearing since the beginning, and they fit me well in the beginning. So now they're just kind of like just giant on me, and I feel like you're not getting an accurate representation of the actual progress pictures anymore because they're not really all that form-fitting, and they're kind of lumpy and bumpy, and they're too long, so I had to fold them up. And anyway, so I found something smaller, which will be in the pictures you guys will see this week. So anyway, in terms of side effects, I was kind of bracing myself for this week to be kind of rough, being the first week that I was on 2.4. Honestly, I definitely had some of that fatigue come back that I noticed in the beginning. So on Monday after I took the shot, I was definitely tired. I was kind of feeling like I was starting to nod off at some points during the day and things like that. So I definitely noticed some more fatigue for sure, but really nothing major outside of that. I will say that I started my cycle almost a full week early. I've had a lot of people ask me questions about my cycle on Wegovy, and I will say that I'm not the greatest person to be like a poster child for this because my cycles have always been a little irregular. They were regular when I was on birth control, but I stopped taking birth control because it was messing so badly with my hormones. It's been probably 3 or more years ago. Also, I was, I'm in my 40s, and I had been taking birth control on and off since I was 16 years old because a doctor put me on it to try and regulate my cycles because they were so all over the place. So since coming off birth control, I have been far more regular than I ever have been in my life. But I definitely do still kind of vary, 2 to 3 days here and there. But this was like a full week, which is the first time that I've been a full week early ever. Usually I tend to be late. So that's really the only, major side effect that I noticed. And then onto results. So I went over my weekly calorie goal by 143 calories, which is the first time I've gone over. And that's because I forgot to adjust my daily calorie goal from MyFitnessPal after I put my new weight in. So I did it in the app, but I didn't do it on my spreadsheet, which is what I use to keep track of my calorie cycling. So so I went over by 143 calories, but that apparently didn't do much because I lost this week 3.6 pounds, which is the most I have lost in a week in a very long time. So that was very exciting to see that number go that far. So I lost 3.6 pounds, and then that brought my total to 57.8 pounds total overall. So we're getting closer and closer to that 60-pound mark loss, and we are really close to being under 300 pounds for the first time in recent memory. So that is very exciting. I am much more positive this week. I am feeling a lot better. It was a very uneventful week. I'm starting to plan for a camping trip we have set up for next weekend. So I had a lot to keep me busy and distracted from everything that happened last week. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your kindness. I got lots of phone calls after that video went up, and I just want to let you all know I'm fine. So thank you as always for your support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and joined my YouTube family, please feel free to do so. And that's it for this week. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.